Rumi, you poor loser! Get off my yacht! Get lost! Enjoy the swim, loser!
Look at her! Ridiculous!
I survived, but this isn't over. I'll take my revenge, I need some parts.
Oh my god, look at all this gold! I just hit the jackpot!
Time to build something bigger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my glorious revenge.
Run, Romance and Mira! This is your last day!
Wait, Rumi? A golden yacht? No way, bro, this can't be real!